Gunnison Sheet Metal and Roll Forming.
Oh, yeah.
Gunnison Sheet Metal Shop Talk.
Yeah, baby.
Featuring Tori.
So you might be wondering what the heck this bar is here. This is actually an S-5 standing seam snow retention system. S-5 is a market-leading snow retention company, and we carry their products here at Gunnison Sheet Metal. So the beauty about S-5 is that these clamps do not penetrate your roof like many do. And why is it such a big deal for penetration? Why is it such a big deal to have these hidden fasteners and systems that don't make holes in your roof? Well, there you got it, a hole in your roof. It's not what you want. Once that fastener is in there for a while, the heat and cold is gonna cause it to just wiggle, expand, contract, and eventually expose a hole in your roof. So right here we have aircraft grade steel that instead clamps to these ribs. And the next thing you would do is, after putting a few parts together, a couple bolts, is you take a 2-inch strip of perhaps terracotta, our favorite color, and slide it in there, so then it would be a color match system when you're looking from the ground. S-5 snow retention, come get it. Got it at Gunnison Sheet Metal. All right, cut.